Politics has long been a family affair in Indonesia. In Surakarta, this candidate is hoping to follow in his father's footsteps. GIBRAN RAKABUMING RAKA is the son of President Joko Widodo and is contesting the same mayoral race that kick-started his father's political career. He's contesting his first election in unusual circumstances, when some might be reluctant to go out and vote because of concerns about COVID-19.
The voting booths are safe, comfortable and sterilised. And don't forget to wear your mask.
Saya bersumpah.
When President Joko Widodo was elected to the highest office, many saw him as an outsider, an antidote to the dynasties that had long characterised Indonesian politics. Now, in his second and final term, with his son and son-in-law contesting the election, analysts say President Jokowi may be setting up a dynasty of his own.
Jokowi, the seventh president that Indonesia had, was meant to be different. He was the outsider. He made it to the top of politics because he was seen as being different, a new broom who would sweep away the cobwebs of nepotism and corruption.
The vice president's daughter is also running for election.
As a daughter of the nation, I want to show my devotion to the country and bring benefits to its people.
Elections in the world's third largest democracy are usually spirited, crowded events. And although familial politics may be the norm, this year, in the shadow of the pandemic, things are different. Wearing a mask is compulsory around voting booths, and there's plenty of sanitizer for voters. But doctors fear overcrowding will lead to a spike in COVID-19 cases. Medical groups had called to postpone the election as the country grapples with the worst COVID-19 outbreak in Southeast Asia, with at least 18,000 confirmed deaths and more than 500,000 cases. Doctors say the healthcare system is under strain, and many intensive care units around major cities are already at 90% capacity.
I say this in anticipation. I have told my colleagues, get ready for December and January because the number of cases will increase.
Some voters told Al Jazeera they were aware of the risks involved in voting.
Of course I'm worried about COVID-19, but voting is a responsibility. That's part of being a democracy. We have to do it.
The count could take days or weeks, but doctors say the result they're focused on is the likely surge in COVID-19 cases in coming days. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, South Tangerang.